It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today, guess what? We're drawing something super sweet. A yummy, colourful popsicle and a happy ice cream in a cup. They're full of colours, smiles and fun. Come on, let's watch them come to life together. What colour do you think our ice cream in a cup will be? Let's draw the ice cream's face. Look at those eyes and that big happy mouth. Now, let's draw the popsicle ice cream. I'm so excited. It's going to look super cool and colourful. I wonder what flavour this one is. Maybe strawberry or rainbow swirl. Ha 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 ha. Wow, look. The popsicle is so colourful. I really love it. It looks like a rainbow on a stick. So bright and happy. If this were real, I bet it would taste super sweet. Ha ha ha. Popsicles melt super fast. That's why you have to eat them quick, or your hand gets all sticky. Whoa, look! That's so colourful and adorable. It's colouring time, our favourite part. I'm so excited. Are you excited too? Colour green.
Wow!
First, let's colour the cute tiny leaf. Ha ha! Colour red. Now it's time to colour our little berry. Let's make it super bright and juicy. I'm going to use red today, just like a yummy strawberry. Look at that berry go. It's getting redder and redder. It looks delicious. Let's be careful and stay inside the lines. Wow, look, the tiny cute little leaf is dancing.
Wow.
So cute, ha ha. Colour yellow. What colour should our ice cream in a cup be? Ice creams in a cup are like little frozen treats.
Wow!
They're creamy, sweet and perfect for a hot day. Just like tiny cups of happiness. Did you have fun watching me draw today? I sure did. Do you think our ice cream looks happy today? Colour pink.
Wow!
Some ice creams are rainbow coloured. Pink, blue, yellow. It's like a party of flavours in one cup. If you could put anything on top of your ice cream, what would it be? Sprinkles, a cherry, maybe a candy.
Wow! Wow!
Ice cream cups can have surprises inside. Chocolate chips, gummy bears, or even fruits hiding in the middle.
Wow!
Do you like chocolate ice cream or vanilla ice cream? tiny ice cream cups are the cutest. You can finish one in a few bites, but be careful, they disappear fast. Ha 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 ha. Color blue. Ice cream cups love toppings. Sprinkles, chocolate syrup, whipped cream. They make every cup look so fun.
Wow!
What do you think our ice cream's name should be?
Wow!
Ice creams love summer. They're the stars of sunny days. Everyone smiles when they see them.
Wow!
Would you eat a giant ice cream cup or a tiny mini cup? Ice creams make everyone happy because they're sweet, colorful, and full of fun, just like you. If you could make ice cream with anyone, who would it be? Do you want to see more drawings like this?
Wow!
There's an ice cream for every mood. Happy, silly, sleepy. There's always a cup ready to cheer you up. If our ice cream could sing, what song would it sing?
Wow!
Let's clean the lines of our cute little ice cream in a cup. Whoa! Looks amazing and adorable. Color red.
Wow!
Now it's time for the Popsicle ice cream. I'm so excited. It's going to be bright, colorful, and super fun. I wonder what flavor we should make it. Strawberry, blueberry, or maybe a rainbow.
Wow!
Color orange. I hope you liked it, because I had so much fun making it for you. Do you like our drawing today?
Wow!
I think it looks super cute. If you could make your own popsicle flavor, what would it taste like?
Wow! Wow!
Color yellow. Popsicles are like frozen juice on a stick. It's like your drink turned into ice, so you can lick it instead of sip it.
Wow!
How many popsicles can you eat in one day? Be honest. Ha 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 ha. green.
Wow!
Did you know a kid invented the popsicle? Yup! An 11-year-old accidentally left his drink outside with a stick in it, and it froze overnight.
Wow!
If our popsicle could talk, what do you think it would say? Color blue. Some popsicles have 2 sticks, so you can share one with your best friend, or eat both if you're extra hungry. Ha 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 ha.
Wow! Wow!
Which one's your favorite? The ice cream cup or the popsicle? And if you could eat one, which would you pick? Color violet.
Wow!
Wasn't that fun? I love how colorful everything turned out. Color brown. What should we draw next time? I'd love to know your ideas.
Wow!
Did our popsicle look super cool or super yummy? We're all done with our drawings. Look at our yummy popsicle and happy ice cream cup. They look so colorful and fun. Did you like our drawing today? I hope you did, because I had so much fun making it for you.
Wow!
If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawing time. See you next time, little friends. Bye-bye.